Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Astrology Gyan. Today I am here for my 21st episode and I will tell you about the Mercury planet and when you should wear Mercury's gemstone emerald and when you should not. Also, what remedy you should do when your planet Mercury is malefic and giving you hardships during its Mahadasha and Antardasha. So friends, let's start. My first point is if a planet Mercury in a birth chart is a functional malefic planet, then you should not wear emerald gemstone because malefic planets are bound to give negative results and gemstone gains the strength of planet. So if you wear any gemstone of a malefic planet, so it gives more negative results regarding that planet. My next point is if a planet Mercury in a birth chart is a functional benefic planet but placed in 6th, 8th and 12th houses, or if it gets debilitated, then also we must avoid wearing emerald gemstone because 6th, 8th and 12th houses are Dushtana houses and planets placed in these houses gives negative results. So gemstone emerald will increase the negative results if you wear in this condition. Yeah, there is one condition of Vipreet Raj Yoga when planets gives positive results also, even when placed in Dushtana houses. But in that case, you should not wear any gemstone. I will tell you about the Vipreet Raj Yoga in my upcoming videos. The third point is if a planet Mercury in a birth chart is weak and also a functional benefic planet, then you can wear emerald gemstone of planet Mercury because gemstone increases the strength of planets, and in this case, being a benefic planet, it will increase the benefic effects, good effects of planet Mercury. The fourth one is if a planet Mercury in a birth chart is badly placed and is a malefic planet, then that person should feed grass to cows. Also, this person should donate green color things and should stay away from green color as much as he can to reduce the malefic effects of Mercury. Also, in this scenario, the person must take the blessings of small girls under 10 years of age because they represent Mercury to reduce the malefic effects of Mercury. So, friends, hope you understood all the concept regarding Mercury planet and what you should do and what you should not do, and when to wear a gemstone of Mercury or when you should not. If you like my videos and if you are learning something through my videos, please subscribe my channel which is Vedic Astrology Gyan, and do press the bell icon also for my latest videos. Thank you friends.